Hey guys, first, thank you so much for clicking on this channel. If you are not familiar with me, my name is Arneisha Nicole. So I'm really excited about this series of videos I'm about to put out. So this year I'm doing 8 days of Wigmas with me, Arneisha Nicole. So each day from December 18th all the way until Christmas Day, I will be dropping a new review on a different hairstyle. Okay, so make sure you guys subscribe and turn on the bell so you could get the notifications of when I upload, girl. Okay, so yeah, thank you for clicking on this video if you are new, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you too. Boo, how you doing, Sugarlump? Anyway, so if you want to see how I got this look, keep watching, okay? And don't forget to subscribe. Okay, bye. Okay guys, I'm super excited about this wig, honey bunches of oats. So this wig was hot earlier this year. You've seen they came out with a 22-inch, a 12, and then I think a 14. So earlier this year I could not get it. Like, it was sold out everywhere. Sold the freak out. And I saw Trendy K review it and I was just like, oh, it's bomb. Everything she does is bomb. But anyway, people have moved away from this unit because there's so many other units that come out. Y'all know I say that all the freaking time. So I was able to get it. And this wig, like, I've had the Crimp wigs. I've had Outre Liliana. That's one of my most recent uploads. And I've had Outre Olena. Olena tangled everything too much. She was beautiful, but just tangled too much. And Liliana, fire. This one is up there with Liliana. So I'll just go ahead and tell you guys the pros of this unit. The pros is definitely the style, the luster. If it looks super shiny on my camera, you guys know I have my ring light, so of course that's going to make it look a little shiny, girl. The length is fire if you want to be extra. This is not an everyday wig. This is for like birthday, photo shoot, going on a trip and you want to take photos or something and be extra. It is lightweight. It's not thick, but it's not thin either. It's not super thin, like, you know, you got hair on the unit. It's not like it's coming out. So I definitely like that about the unit. I will show you guys how long it is or whatever. It's all the way down to my butt crack, girl. My butt crack. So yeah, I really don't have any cons. Oh wait, let me stop. Let me rewind it. It was very easy to blend my part. I did have to go in and put some of my Cream of Nature edge control in black. It's like a black edge control, but it melted. I don't know what happened to it, but y'all see me brushing it on here because I was like, I have to blend this, honey. I have to blend it as best as I can. But this is, I think this is a beginner wig. It's not It's not anything that anybody would really struggle with. I don't feel like. As far as cons, I really don't have cons. I know a few people were saying that the wig wasn't big head friendly, but it actually fit my head perfectly. I think I get what people are saying, because right here it's a little tight when you pull it to the front, because you have to pull it to the front to blend this. Like, you can't have it back here, honey. No ma'am, you cannot have that back there all the way to the back. But it's not uncomfortable. I don't feel like I'm gonna get a migraine, anything like that. So I feel like it's doable. It's work withable. So you're not gonna die from wearing this. But I do know, I know that this will tangle. This is gonna tangle. Shedding, I didn't get any shedding. I cut the lace, didn't get any shedding, so that's a good thing. But I do know that it's gonna tangle. So this is not an everyday wig. This is a special occasion wig. Y'all probably gonna see this on New Year's. Not probably, y'all will see this on New Year's if y'all follow me on Instagram at ArneishaNicole. But yeah, I like it. It has a 5-inch hand tied part, yes. HD lace transparency. Look, I'm not gonna sit here and act like I know the differences between all these lace. I know about soft lace because it's soft. I know about Swiss lace because it's a little hard. But HD, look, I had to blend it. It wasn't clear. I had to do something to it, okay? So that's that. And then it says heat at 400 degrees. I didn't put any heat on it because I didn't feel like I needed to. I just put my pomade stick on there and it laid it down very easily. So I definitely recommend this unit, y'all. She is cute. She is a looker. Get her before she sell back out. If you don't want this length, they have it in 22, 14, and a 12. I think some of them are a side part, but then they also have a middle part one as well. But this is the only one that is on the side, and that's super long, 34 inches. So I'll insert a clip of me showing y'all how long it is and all that kind of stuff. But other than that, y'all, I like it. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and share my video with your friends, colleagues, whoever, girl. And yeah, come back for day 2 of Wigmas with me. Look, it's 8 days of Wigmas with ArneishaNicole. Every day, honey. Every day. So until next time, y'all take care of yourselves. Peace and love.